Okay, if we want to find the probability of one event, this is a single event. This is what we did last week, where we're looking at the number of outcomes. These are our favorable. This is what we want, over number of possible outcomes, or the total. When I'm looking at solving a problem, this could be something like the probability of rolling a 5 on a number cube. My favorable outcomes on my number cube, there's only one 5. So it would be 1 over all of my sides, which is 6. Okay, that is a single event. Now, if I have more than one, this is where it becomes compound. This is a compound event, more than one. And I have two types. I have an or and then an and. What I want you to do with your scissors again, we're going to cut through for an or, this would be the probability of rolling a 3 or a 4. So on my dice, I'd be looking at a 3 or rolling a 4. What I need to do then is add. So in my case of a probability of a 3 or a 4, I take the probability of a 3 and I add it to the probability of a 4. Well, probability of a 3, that's just 1 out of my 6. Probability of my 4, that again is 1 out of my 6. Then I'm going to add them. So my total probability is 2 out of 6 or 1 out of 3. That's an or. Let's say I want an and. So probability of rolling a 3 and then a 4. So we're rolling twice. In this case, I multiply. So when I'm looking at probability of rolling a 3 and then 4, I take my probability of a 3, my probability of a 4, and I multiply. So probability of a 3, nothing changed, it's still 1/6. Probability of a 4 is also 1/6. And I'm multiplying them together. When I do that, I have 1 out of 36. Much smaller chance of a 3 and then a 4 instead of a 3 or 4. Those are the two big parts of compound, either or and.